Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this instalment, we have this lovely Stanley little 32-piece kit. It actually came free with a toolbox that I got at Christmas. If you've seen the Christmas tool haul, I'll explain more about it there. It's quite a handy little kit. It comes with a little tiny dinky ratchet. Let me grab that out for you. Quite a tiny little ratchet. Got a forward and reverse function in it. Pretty good. And we also have a tiny bit driver, or bit of holder, shall I say. Pretty good. And then we have a selection of bits. I'll give you a close up of all these in a minute. Yeah, so not a bad little kit at all. Comes in this lovely case as well to keep everything safe and secure, which feels quite hefty and well made. And here's the close-up I promised earlier on. So we have 30 bits in total, all different varieties. We have some Phillips, some Posies, some Allens, and here's the ratchet itself. It's quite a small ratchet, as I mentioned earlier. And yeah, we're just going through it. I'll get it out of the case. It's quite hard to get out. Just hold it nice and secure the case, so it's pretty good. Yeah, nice and dinky, as you can see. That is a 1/4 inch bit driver, and there's the serial number if you're looking it up. It's a pretty effective little ratchet, as you can see. Got a Phillips screwdriver in here, and plus a piece of wool with a screw in it. And yeah, works this out really easily. Quite a fine tooth, I feel. I'm not quite sure what tooth count the ratchet is, but it works really well. See, it comes out nice and easily. Another really handy feature about this kit, it comes with a lovely little 1/4 inch adapter for 1/4 inch sockets. So you take a 10mm like this one and pop on, and then you've got a nice dinky socket for getting into those really tight spots. Because of this, absolutely nothing to this ratchet. It's probably about 2 inches big, wide, long, should I say. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Getting into those really tight spots. For instance, if you're up underneath a dashboard and you need to get to a tight screw or fastener, perfect. So yeah, before I get into my final thoughts, I'd just like to say thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel. We're nearly at 300 subs now. And also, this video is going to go live on my daughter's birthday, so happy birthday Evie and Olivia. They're 4 today. And yeah, now onto my final thoughts. So yeah, I really enjoyed using this lovely little kit. I mean, it worked really well for everything I used it for. It feels extremely well made. The ratchet is extremely comfortable, even though it's got a really small size. So that's why I'm going to give this a 4 spanner rating. You see them somewhere around here right about now. Yeah, overall, I've been really impressed with it. For the size, it holds up to the things I've done with it. And yeah, pretty impressed. Quality I expect from Stanley. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.